You don't have to be a gambler to love to get free cruises, and many people who are not gamblers love free cruises. What's a tool? Like people say, what do you mean using gambling as a tool? Just like in miles and points, people will use different tools to earn extra points. Those tools might be learning about gift cards, that might be learning about reselling, things you can do which allow you to put more spend on credit cards to get more points through bonuses. So those are tools, like gift cards are a tool, reselling is a tool. The way I simply say is that video poker is a great tool to use to earn points in casino loyalty program to get status, especially because it's much harder to just status match than it was years ago. And you're just using it as a tool because video poker tends to be, if you play the right games, rather low variance and a low house edge. If you learn how to play it and do it during a promotional period, there is very little monetary risk to getting the number of points that you would need to accomplish the tier level that you might want. And I recently tutored somebody on that, showed this person how, because this person goes to Vegas a lot, how to basically play video poker during a 10 times multiplier with very little risk, get Caesar's Diamond. And now for all of these future stays in Las Vegas, which is probably close to 30, 40 room nights, he's going to get no resort fee.
You mean the 10 times tier credits? So for these promotions, they had to play a tenth of what they normally would have to play. So very little cost of the theoretical house edge that they have in this video poker play. So maybe the house edge that they took on was something like $200 or $300 around that. And they're paying that in the house edge, but they're going to get all these benefits in exchange for that.
So that is a great entree into the fact that we have these master classes on Sunday. Remember, Sunday's an optional day, and master classes are an additional cost for ZorkFest. We also have a great lunch and there's great socialization. And we have 3 master classes. One is loyalty metrics and optimization plus booking strategies. One is creative spend 101.
I don't know. Maybe I was the first, maybe not, but
Okay, I'll give it to you. You were the first. I'll give that to you. That's good. And then also, we have a master class on casino comp maximization and video poker. You can do combinations of loyalty metrics and creative spend and loyalty metrics and casino comps, or you can just do one of them. And all of this, once again, is all the descriptions and everything except the casino. It's all on the website. If you go to the top tab on zorkfest.com for add-ons. In addition to this casino comp maximization and video poker, that is something that's talked about in a few of the casino loyalty sessions on Saturday at ZorkFest, which are not an add-on, which are part of ZorkFest. But this really does circle through why this stuff is really important and it's a lot of fun.